Hello, hello, hello. Sir, can you hear me? I cannot hear you.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, hi sir. Hi, good morning. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you very properly.
Okay, great. And can you see my screen also? I've shared the screen.
I I have seen the screen where you are writing like abcdfinal.mp4, right?
Yes,
Thank you.
yes, correct, correct. Okay,
Okay,
right.
okay.
Okay, let's start now. Right. So today it is our first lecture. Okay, first class.
Mhm.
So did you watch some videos which I gave you on
Yes,
WhatsApp?
yes. I have watched it
Hmm.
like till rules.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Till
yes.
rules.
Initial
Like
ABCD rules.
abe sade abe.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right, right.
I
Okay.
watched that demo.
Correct. So, see, whenever we start a language, no, first of all, we start with its letters. Okay, we start with
Okay.
the letters that what ABCD is there, all that thing. Okay, what is the script being used?
Uh, Mr. Raman, is it possible for you to show you also, or is it okay? I don't know
No,
what's
video
your.
calling is not required. I'll be sharing the screen. Okay,
Okay, that's it. Huh?
right? Yeah, and all this material and
Okay,
all everything you will be getting. So no need to write down anything. I'll send you these files right away today itself. Okay.
okay. Because I'm not having any pen and paper. I'm
Nothing,
just
nothing,
listening to
nothing
you.
required. Nothing required. Okay. I'll let
Okay,
you know
yes,
whenever it is
yes,
required. Today it's not required. Okay.
yes. After the class, I will transfer that 13,000 to you. Okay.
Sure, sure. You can do
I
that.
already registered your account, sir.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. That's fine. That's fine.
Just to
Okay.
inform you.
Yeah, yeah, no problem, no
Um,
problem. Okay,
I'm very
let's
straightforward
start
with it.
now. Okay. So see, first of all, what I'm doing is I'm playing one video. That is the German list of letters, German ABCD. Okay. So just like that, we have the ABCD in English. Just like that, we have the ABCD in German language also. That video I'm playing, right? Try to listen to it. I'll play it twice, and then we'll compare it with English later. Okay. Listen to it. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. Once again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. X, Y und Z. Okay? Right. Now you have to repeat after me. Okay? If you try to learn this ABCD, you have to repeat after me. ABCD, speak.
A B C D
A F G.
A F G
Then H I J K.
H I J K
L M N O P.
L M N O P
Q R S T.
U.
Yeah, Q R S T.
Okay. Q R S T.
Q R, not R. Q R S T.
Q R S T.
Okay, then
U V
U V W.
U V W
Yeah. Then X Y und Z. Speak.
X epsilon und Z.
Yeah, make it X, not X. X Y und Z.
X X X X epsilon und Z.
Und Z. Okay. Und means and. You say in English, X, Y, and Z. So just like that in German also, we have something called as X, Y, und Z. So I'm writing it here. And is equal to und in German. Okay. And is und. So when you say X, Y, and Z, that becomes X, Y, und Z. Okay. So now repeat again. A, B, C, D.
A B C D
A, F, G.
A F G
H, I, J, K.
H I J K
L, M, N, O, P.
L M N O P
Correct. Then Q R S T.
Q R S T
Q R R, not R. Q R S T.
Q R S T
U V W.
U V W
Yes, and then x epsilon und z.
X epsilon und z.
X epsilon und z. Okay, got it now?
Yes.
Correct. Okay, listen to it. I'm playing it 2 times. Okay, just listen to it last.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Okay. Now see where you will need this ABCD, right? Only like whenever you are having some capital letters in front of you. Example, if you want to say the word like BMW, so you will not say BMW, you will say BMW. Okay?
BMW.
BMW. You have to speak the German letters. BMW.
A B C. Okay.
Yeah.
BMW.
So in these cases, whenever we have some capital letters in front of us, then only we'll be needing that. And also in your A1 exam, they might ask you to repeat the letters of your name. Okay. So let's say if my name is Raman, right? So I will be saying like Raman. Okay. The letters of your name you have to speak in German. That is the one probable question in the A1 exam. Okay. Right. Simple, clear. Any doubt?
Nothing. But sir, I am targeting B1, right? So you said that I can directly go and appear for the B1.
Yeah. But you should know what is coming in A1, A2 also, right? They might ask you. Just
Yeah.
imagine a scenario that
Okay.
someone is asking you you are going to a government office and the person does not know English, right? So you might be required to tell your name. Then he will not understand ABCD, right? They will be able to understand that thing only. Okay, just hold on. Give me 1 second. Give me a minute.
Sure.
Yeah. Now, see, after this, what we'll be doing, we'll be doing the rules of letters, the sounds of letters. Okay? Right? The sounds of letters we'll be seeing. So far, we have just seen the names of letters like A, B, C, D, so on. But that is, the thing is, now you have to see the sounds. That what is the sound of A, what is the sound of B, like this. So I'm playing I'm opening one file. Try to understand these rules one by one. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. So German, as I told you, it uses the same Roman set of letters, right? A to Z, the same letters we have. So these are having two parts, vowels and consonants. Okay. Vowels are your A, E, I, O, U, and consonants are B, C, D till Z. These are the consonants. Okay. First of all, I am drawing one table. Try to understand this. Any word in German, if it is ending with B, D, and G, okay, any word in German, if it is ending with B, D, and G, respectively, the sound is per, t, and k. Word ending with B, D, and G in German. In the end of the word, if B, D, or G is coming, then respectively, the sound will be per, t, and k sound will come. So speak this example, this one.
Jeep.
Yeah, louder. Cannot hear properly.
Jeep.
No, it's not Jeep, it's Geep, Geep. Okay. Then
Abe. Okay.
B in the end is per, na? Geep. Speak again. What happened?
Jeep.
Yeah. Next, second.
Sorry, my sound is slow. Sorry.
Next.
Okay. Kint, right?
Correct. Good. Yeah, that's correct. Perfect. Then next,
Tak.
very good. Tag. So there is one very common greeting called Guten Tag. That means good day. Okay. Guten Tag is good day. So you have to speak Tag. Okay. Now next is A. See, today we are not seeing the meanings of these words. I am just telling you the sounds. Meanings will start from the next lecture. Okay. So by today you have to focus only on the sounds. That okay, how you will speak any word in front of you. So first letter is A. A is having two sounds. A is having two sounds, A and A. A and A. Two sounds are there. A is having two sounds, A and A. After A, if it is one consonant. After A, if it is one consonant, it will have the A sound.
Okay.
After A, if you have only one consonant. What is consonant? These letters B, C, D till Z, these are basically called as the consonants. Okay? So you have to count them. You have to count them. How many are after A directly? So see the first example, ALT. Tell me how many consonants in this?
2.
2, directly 2. Okay. Now hold on. Now see the second example. FRAGEN. After A, how many?
1.
1. Directly only 1. Correct. Then
En will not be counted, sir?
Yes, we will not count N. See, E is a vowel. So this N is not coming directly, na? Directly only E is coming.
It's breaking the sequence.
Yeah, it's breaking the sequence. So only the direct letter, direct consonant you have to count. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then TRAGEN. After A, how many?
1.
1. Correct. The rule is after A, if you have one consonant. After A, if you have one consonant directly, then you will have the A sound. Otherwise, A sound. Otherwise, A sound. So speak the example.
Okay.
Hmm.
You're talking about to me. You're asking me to speak
Yes.
on this?
Alt.
Okay. So it is coming for one time. So 2 times, then it will be A, right?
Yes. After A, if it is two consonant, then A. Otherwise, A. Okay. So speak the example. Alt. Next.
Then the next is it is coming one time, then it should be A, right?
Yes. Correct.
Fragen.
Alt. Fragen. Next.
Fragen. Okay. Fragen.
Next. Tragen.
Tragen.
Tragen. Alt. Fragen and Tragen. Okay. Next is E. E is having the A sound. E is having the A sound. Speak the example.
E is having A sound. Then Esan.
SN. Okay. E is having the A sound. So that is SN.
Esan, yeah.
Correct. So E is not having any rule like one or two consonant, nothing. It's just the A sound.
Agel.
Egal, not agal. Egal.
So, egal.
Okay. After A, it is one consonant, so that becomes egal.
So after 1, then it's become A. If it is more than 1, it is A, right?
Oh, yes. Okay. Somewhat like that. Egal. Speak.
Egal.
Yes. Next is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Okay. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. So after I, if it is one consonant, it will have the long E sound, otherwise short E.
Come again? I didn't get it.
There are two sounds. Again, you have to do the counting here. After I, if it is one consonant, it will have the long E sound. Okay? Long E sound, otherwise short E. Long E and short E. After I, if it is one consonant, then it is long E, otherwise short E. Okay? So speak the example.
After E, after I.
You have to do the counting. If it is one consonant, then long E, otherwise short E.
It is more than 1. 3. So
yes.
It will be long.
Yes. More than 1, it will be long E. Otherwise, short E. Ist. See, it's 3 consonant, na? So short E. Ist.
No. If it is more, it should be long or short.
If it is one consonant, long E. Otherwise, short E. Okay?
Okay. Ist.
Yes.
Okay.
Then, next example.
It has 1 now.
Beader.
Y. Weeder.
Long E, not wider, it's wider. Okay.
Yeah, I'm saying why Weeder.
Wider. Next.
It is 2. Then it's short. Will be build.
Built. D in the end is so that becomes built. Okay. If you see here, GIB. Tell me after I how many?
Pardon, sir?
See this example GIB. After I how many?
1, sir.
1. So long E. Geep.
Long E. Yeah.
Okay.
Geep.
Then next KIND. After I how many?
After 2.
2. Speak the example.
It will be short.
Yeah.
It will be
Kint.
Kint.
Okay.
Kint.
Right. The rules are working. Kint. Then TAG. After A only one. So TAG.
Okay.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
This is how we have to do this. Geep,
Yeah.
Kint,
So
TAG.
the pronunciation of the letter ba, D will the one that we have seen it just before this video, right?
Yes, yes. This BDGPTK, na, right? Earlier in the video which you saw, that was having the names of letters. ABCD. Now we are seeing the sounds. Okay. Now we are seeing the actual topic. That is the sound. That when I write my name RAMAN. So that is, you don't call me RAMN, you call me Raman, because you are merging the sounds together. That okay, R sound is R, M sound is Ma, N sound is Na. You are mixing everything together and then you are speaking Raman. Okay. So now we are talking about the sounds. Earlier in the video you saw the names of letters. Just like in English you have A B C D E F G H. Like that in German you have A B C D E F G. That is different thing. That is the name of letter. Now you are seeing the sounds. That okay, what is the sound of R? What is the sound of A? Okay. So that we are starting with the vowels first. We are taking A E I O U first of all, and then we'll take these consonants B C D till Z. Okay. So whenever any word ending with B, D, and G, right, the sound is P, T, and K. Geep, Kint, and Tak. Then A is having two sounds, A and A. Speak the example.
Sir, 1 minute. I just have a question here. Can you go up, please?
Yeah.
You said that any letter ending with B, D, G, respectively, you have to pronounce like this. Okay.
P, T, and K.
What about the other words without B and D?
No, they will be normal. Whatever their sound is there, that will only come. Okay.
The one we see in the video before, huh?
Yeah, that will come below. You will see here A, B, C, D. See, everything is there. Okay.
Okay.
Right. All letters will come till Z.
Okay.
Yeah. So speak these examples. A is having two sounds, A and A. Speak the example.
E is having two sounds. Ult.
Alt, Fragen, and Tragen.
Yeah, I have two, so it will be shorter. Alt. Fragen, I have one, so it will be longer. So Fragen.
And Tragen.
Then Tragen.
Tragen, correct. Next, E is having the A sound. Speak the example.
E is having the A sound. So Asan.
Essen.
Essen, Essen, A sound, Essen.
Egal, correct. Next, I is having two sounds, long E and short E. Speak the example.
I is having, so I have two, so it will be shorter. Ist. Yeah, ist. Okay. I is having one, it will be longer, so it will be Vidar. I is having E sound. So
yeah, Vidar, one long E. Vidar and then built.
Vidar, yeah.
Correct.
Then I is having two, then it will be shorter, it will be built.
Okay. So Ist, Vidar and built.
So D is ending with the sound T, right?
Yes, that's why built.
Yeah.
Okay, clear now?
Okay.
Ist, Vidar and
Yeah, clear.
built. Next.
So it's the first class today, so bear with me.
Yeah, I'll go very slow. Don't worry. Take your time. Okay. This is actually it's a new topic, totally new thing for you.
Yeah, it's still the English is there in the mind, na? So.
Yeah. Take your time. There is no hurry. You ask me 10 times. Okay, I'll repeat. So
Thank you.
Take your time. There is no hurry. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Next is O. I'll just take two more letters. Then I'll give you the PDF to read first of all for 5 minutes. Okay. Let me just finish this A E I O U. Two more letters I'll take. O is having two sounds, O and O. Okay, O and O. O like there is a, let's say, country called Oman or Korea or solar energy. Okay, O, that is the first sound, and aw for awesome, like awesome, or let's say corporation aw sound is coming. That is the second sound, right? After o, if it is one consonant, then you will have the o sound. Otherwise, aw for awesome. Aw for awesome. So speak the example. First example.
Okay. So when O is coming directly, so O is coming directly with the single consonant, right? So it will be
Odor.
Odor. Odor, yeah.
Next.
Then the next is O is coming with the direct double consonant, right? As per the rules. So it will be O. So sol.
Zol.
So it's S, zol, S has a
single S is the. Single S is the sound that you will see in the consonant.
Yeah.
Single S is the and double S is the. So zol.
Zol.
Zol. Correct.
So then O is coming with the single consonant. Then it will be O. So Monat.
Correct. Monad. Yeah.
Yeah. I said ta, not da.
Monad. Yeah, T will be ta only.
T is da. Yeah. Okay.
Correct.
Monad.
Correct.
Okay. And then O is having a two consonants, so it will be O sound. Then Quarb.
Correct. Odor, zol, monad, and corp.
Corp, yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Odor, zol, monad, and corp.
I have to keep all these rules in the mind.
Yes. We'll practice
all,
that.
All that, all, yeah. With practice, it will be there.
Yes, we'll practice them. Once we finish this rule, I'll make you practice more than 1,000 words with this. So you will be able to retain them.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so odor, zol, monad, and corp, right?
Sir, what you write on the left side, sir, regarding S, single S, double S?
Single S is the sound, double S is the sound. Okay.
Single S is zero, huh?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
Z,
Not zero. The sound. Single
Yeah.
S is the and double S is the.
The way you write Z is like another style of writing Z, right?
Okay.
It's a Z for me, right?
Okay,
In English.
Make it that only. Single S is the and double S is the. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then next is U. U is having the U sound. There is no counting. Okay, it's a normal U sound. It's a normal U sound. Neither it is too short nor it is too long. It's a normal U sound. So speak the first example. Tune.
Tune.
Then next.
There.
Mutter.
T is having the T sound, right? Yes.
Yeah. T is having the T sound. Mutter. Next.
Ta sound, yeah. Ta sound. And then SCHUH. So, spoo.
That is shoe. Okay.
Why shoe?
SCH is sure. That's why SCH is a combination. After once you have done the letters, there is one more topic called combinations. So in combinations, what these people have done, they have basically have some predefined sequence of letters which are having a fixed sound. So one of them is SCH. SCH has the sh sound. Sh. Example, you might have heard of the company Bosch, Schindler, Schneider. Okay, they're making that elevator and lift. Bosch is a mechanical company. So these are all German companies. Schindler, Schneider, okay, Schneidler, all are German companies only. So SCH is sh sound. That is fixed. We don't have to break separately S and C and H. Not like that.
Okay.
It's a together complete sound. SCH is sh. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And H in the end is silent, right? That you will see in the consonants today. H in the end is silent. So this becomes shoe.
So in every word, if it is ending with H, it will be silent.
Everywhere H is silent. Even in the middle, it is silent. Here it is a combination. So in combination, we will not see separately. Rest everywhere, wherever H is there, it is always silent, except the first position. Okay, that I will tell you. In the first position, it is her. See here, see the rule. See this. H in the first position is her, and everywhere else it is silent. Okay, that's why. So this becomes shoe. Now what I am doing is just revise this A-E-I-O-U first of all. So let me send you the file. I am sending you on your Zoom chat.
So how can I download it from here?
You will get on the Zoom chat. Okay, come to the chat. You will get it there.
Yes, I can see your Zoom chat. I'm there.
Yeah.
But I think you still didn't put it, right?
Yeah, I'll put it now.
How can I re-listen you, the one you are doing it right now with me?
You have to just refer the PDF for revision, nothing else. Okay. You will not get that much time to re-listen and audio and video, nothing like that. Just focus on the PDF and the assignment, right? You have very limited time. This we'll discuss after the class. I'll tell you. I got your point.
Okay.
First, you download the file. Okay. Check. You will get pronunciation part 1 on your Zoom chat. Download that file, and in that file only page number 1 and page number 2 till the letter U. Only that much you have to revise. Revise it on your own for 5-7 minutes. Once you are comfortable, after 5-7 minutes, you will explain me again everything in short. And if you have any doubt, you ask me. And then we will move ahead. Okay?
Exactly. But usually, what happens when I take online classes? They record also their session and they send it.
I'll tell you what is that.
Okay. We can discuss after.
We'll discuss after the class. Yeah.
Okay, sir. I will download
it. If you
it.
want to record now, you have the facility on the Zoom site to record it. So need not to even ask from me. You can do it whatever suits you. But that I will discuss after the class. What are the harms of that?
Without asking, Raman, sir, I never downloaded recording.
I'll tell you the harms of that. I'll tell you after the class, because I have seen people who do that thing, right? I'll tell you 99% I've seen they're not succeeding in the exam. That is that feeling has developed actually, seeing the people, because I got where are they lacking actually. But that
ethically, I never record anything without asking.
Yeah. See, what happens is that basically, most of the people are from technical background, right? So everywhere recording is there, and you are learning like PMP. You have done everywhere recording is there. Here also you can have the recording. But what I have seen now, that is my personal opinion, and that I have actually seen people lacking because of that thing. What happens is that I have always noticed this thing, that when a person is recording the lecture, right? When a person is recording the lecture, he is half of the time he is worried whether it is getting recorded or not, and he is like not able to focus on the class. He's just taking it very casually. Okay, it's getting recorded. I'll listen it in the night after the class. Okay. Now, so what happens is that, see, that is a good thing. If you have 24 hours available, you listen to it 10 times, not one time. But practically, I'll tell you, for a working person who is working 10 to 12 hours in a day, if you remember, day before yesterday, I told you, after 1 hour of lecture, you have to study 2.5 hours of homework. Okay, so already I have troubled you with 3 hours, 1 hour of lecture and 2.5 hour I am taking separately from your schedule. So tell me this thing, that why we should spend 1 more hour on just this PDF, right? We should focus on the homework better than that, right? So that is what I am saying. So for revision, restrict to the PDF. If you want to record, you can do it. You are totally free. From my end, you can do it without even telling me. You can do whatever you want.
I will not do it. No, I will not do
it.
But
that is not desirable, because I slowly, when you will see 5-7 lectures occurring, you will see how difficult it is to get that 2.5 hours from your busy schedule. Right? It looks very easy. No, it's a matter of 2 hours only, 3 hours only. But when you will come from your office after 10 to 11 hours of working, and I'll make you do the homework for 2 hours, you will yourself feel tired here. Why we are loading ourselves? So keep yourself as much free as possible, right? Don't burden yourself with the material unnecessarily, because we have already enough things to devote time. So in my opinion, you should not do that. Your focus should be within this hour itself. You should be done with this. Right? We will do 2 less rules, right? We will not, let's say, if I want to do 10 rules, I'll make you do 7 only. But those 7 should be that you are done with that. By 10:30 India time, you should be done with those rules. You should not be required to go to the recording again and again, because practically I am telling you, you will not have that much time. Okay? You will get to know very soon in 5-7 lectures. You will not get that much time to devote that. Okay, homework is also there, PDF is also there, vocab also you have to learn, grammar also you have to revise, and then you are burdening yourself with one more thing, that okay, lecture also I have to watch again. Okay, so avoid that thing, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Go through these rules, okay? AEIOU for 5 minutes, and then we'll discuss it again.
Okay, where are the one you sent it on the
Zoom
download?
PDF? Yeah, I sent on Zoom chat, no? The file I sent.
Yeah. I already downloaded.
Yes. So revise those rules. AEIONU, page number 1 and 2 only. Okay.
1 minute. Let me open that PDF. Time to download. Any letter ending with P, D, G. PD, PAT, K. Example is G, I, K, Tuck. Okay, now let's go to the vowel. It has A is coming directly before a single consonant, then it's A, and this is O. A is having two comes directly with it. It's open far, travel, A, E. E has a sound of A, S, N, egal. A, after A, it's a single, it will be longer. Egal. Okay. I have a sound of E and E. E and E. When I is coming directly before single consonant, when I is coming directly before double consonant. He has a sound of here, here, is the sound of T. D has a sound of T. In ending with D. Okay, ending now, that's why. There. Single, just
Yeah, done all? Revised?
until I, sir.
Okay, good. A, E, I. Revise the O and U also, two more letters.
O, U. O, 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 O. Ode, A. it has a 2, then it will be all, all. S has a sound of Z, Z. Okay, all. Monad. Okay, O has a sound single, so it will be all. Wow. Okay, O. No. Please, Monad. O is coming 2 times, so it will be 4. 4. U, let's go to U. O. O. Okay. O. Okay. Shoot. Just silent. Done, sir. Hello?
Yeah. Any doubt anywhere?
Just on this side, O,
Hmm.
that monad you
Monad.
said.
After O, one consonant, and after A, one consonant. That's monad.
So I have to keep 2 rules there in mind.
Yeah, 2 rules. And U is U. Okay.
Pardon, sir?
U is U. Okay. Last one. U is U.
Yeah. U, U is U. So it's a tune and muter.
Mutter and Shu.
Muter, right? Mu.
Yeah.
Muter.
Mutter and Shu.
Yeah, muter and shu. And tune also. Tun is tune.
Tun, not ton. Tun.
Tun. Tun.
Tun, sir, not ton. Tun.
But yeah, I'm saying tune. Tune.
Hmm.
I'm pronouncing it tune.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
Okay, now
Yes.
come here from A, from this BDG PTK. Okay, you have to explain me the rule in short and then speak the example. Okay.
Okay. Any letter ending with B, T, E, and G will be pronounced as P, T, and K. For example, in the first example we see it's G, I, B. So it will be pronounced in the end P. So it will be Jeep.
Jeep, Kent and Tak.
Jeep, Kent, and Tak.
Correct.
Respectively. Then comes to the vowel A. If it is and A is coming directly before a single consonant, it will be pronounced as A. If it is having coming before a double consonant, then it will be U.
Yeah.
Okay. For example, alt will be pronounced as old. Okay, because it has 2, so it will be old. Then fragen has a single, so it will be fragen. Then tragen, respectively. Stop me, sir, if I'm not wrong. If I'm not correct.
Correct. No, it's correct. Alt, fragen, tragen. Next, E.
Okay. Yeah, E is having sound as A, so it will be asen.
SN.
SN. Egal. Then coming to the I, similarly the same rule for I also. When I is coming before a single, it will be pronounced as E. If it is having a double, then it will be E. Right?
Yeah.
So in I, it is having a 2 consonant. It will be having east.
Ist. Okay.
East, yes.
Yeah.
So in the next example, wider, we see it is having a single. It will be pronounced as E. Vidar.
Ist, wieder, and built.
Built. Yeah.
Yeah. Next is O.
Next O. O has a sound of O and O. So for a single, it will be O, like O there. For next is having a two, so it will be O sound, so Zol. S is pronounced as Z, Zo, so it will be Zol. Then Monad,
Yeah.
and then we'll have last one is O, so it will be Kor.
Kor.
And U is pronounced as U, so it will be Tun, Muter, Shu.
Correct. Tun, mutter and shu. Okay. Now after this, next which we have is B. Next which we have is B. Okay. So B is having two sounds, right? B is having two sounds. In the end, when B is coming from the table BDG PTK, in the end it is B. Right? In the end.
Again, your voice is breaking, sir.
Whenever B is in the end of the word, it is the p sound. Okay. And beginning or middle is B for Bombay. Beginning or middle is B for Bombay. So speak the example.
Okay. Belen.
Belen, yeah.
Belen, if it is coming in middle, normal ball sound. Oben. Carp.
Corp, yeah.
Corp. Okay. Then Gip.
Geep.
The previous.
Geep. Okay. Yeah. Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep.
Geep. I is having little E sound here.
Yes.
Double.
Correct. Belen, Oben, Corp, and Geep.
Geep. Yeah.
Next is C. C is having the K sound, right? It's a normal K sound. There is no rule. It's just the K sound. So speak the example. Camping.
Camping.
It's an English word. They have taken from English, so you can speak it like English. Camping. Okay.
K sound, no?
Yeah. K sound. That's camping.
Camping.
Next is D. D in the end is T. From the table BDG PTK, D in the end is T. And beginning or middle is D for dog.
Normal.
D for dog. Speak the example. Doom.
Doom. Yeah, U is having U sound.
Yeah. Now see the second example. There is one vowel combination. EI is I. EI is having the I sound. And IE is having the E sound. So this is like Bida. Speak Bida.
E is having A sound, right?
Yeah, E is having A, but in the end it is A. Okay. In the end it is A, and EI is I. EI is a vowel combination. I.
As you have seen in the rules above.
As you have seen in SCH, like that. So EI is I. Example, Bida. Okay.
I'm not getting this.
EI is a vowel combination. EI is a combination. I sound.
Okay. I. Okay.
EI is I, and IE is E. IE is E. Right?
E.
Yeah.
IE is E and EI is A. Okay.
Yes.
Just opposite.
Yeah.
Okay. So it will be Bida. Bida.
Doom. Bida. Next is Wieder. Next is Wieder. Correct.
Wieder.
Okay.
Bat.
Next is Bat.
Bat.
Next is Hand.
Bat.
Yeah.
Hand.
Doom, Bida, Wieder, Bat, and Hand.
And it is coming to T. Okay. So IE and EI have this rule. It's a fixed rule.
Yes.
This is what you are saying.
Correct. EI is I, IE is E. So Doom, Bida, Wieder, Bat, and Hand.
It's a hard code rule.
Yeah, it's fixed. EI is I, IE is E. Yeah. EI is I, IE is E. Doom, Bida, Wieder, Bat, and Hand. Okay. Next is F. F is fur only, simple fur. F is fur. So speak the example.
Foul.
AU is one more combination. These combinations are very important. AU is AO. AO sound. Okay.
So this is also a fixed rule.
A fixed rule. AO sound. Okay. AU is AO sound. So this becomes foul. Next is next example.
Shoe. Yeah.
Shaft. SCH is sha, na? So that becomes shaft.
Sha. Okay.
Correct? AU is ow
Okay.
and then it is shaft.
Shaft. Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Next is G. G in the end is ka. G in the end is ka. Beginning or middle is ga for gun.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? G in the end is ka. Beginning or middle is ga for gun. So speak the example.
Okay. So in the starting is gun. Sorry, G. So
Gegen.
Gen. Yes.
Gegen. Next.
Then tak. Then kluk. Ka. Kluk.
Yeah. Gegen, tak and kluk.
Kluk.
Okay?
Yeah.
Gegen, tak and kluk. Correct?
Hmm.
After G, next is H. H is in the beginning is her, first position. In the beginning, H is her, everywhere else it is silent. Okay? Everywhere else it is silent. So speak this example.
H is everywhere. H is silent in that.
Yes. So speak the example. Halt.
A is having a two consonants, so it will be U. So hult.
Halt, not hult. Halt. Halt.
Then halt. Yeah.
Next. Gain.
Gain.
Gain. H is silent. And Zain.
H is not silent, no? In the gain.
H is silent. Gain and Zain.
But you said it will be, if it is an end, then it will be silent.
Right? I said everywhere else it is silent. Only in the beginning.
Except beginning.
Rest everywhere it is silent.
So
Gain and Zain. Speak.
Shen.
Okay. Gain and Zain. Correct. Next is J. J is ya for yellow. Speak the example.
J is Y, right?
Ya, not Y. Ya sound. Ya for yellow. Okay.
Okay, yes.
Y for yellow, that is the ya sound. Okay.
E and J.
Yunga. Correct.
Yeah, E is having EUH sound.
Yes, E is having the not EUH. That is just the sound. You can leave it. Don't see this. Just focus on this only. Yunga. Okay, that is just a way to write the sound actually. Okay, so Yunga. Next, K, L, M, and P. That is the same letters like same sound like English. So speak the example. Cluster.
K, L, M, and P.
Same like English. Cluster.
Casa.
Next, chicken.
Keller.
Yes.
Keller.
Will.
Atman.
Shrimp.
What is this?
SCH. Shrimp.
Why?
Next.
M. Okay,
Yeah.
shrimp.
Renan. Brown. And Lippa. Got it? Cluster, chicken, Keller, Will, Atman, Swim, Renan, Brown, and Lippa.
But sorry, excuse me.
Yeah.
How the pronunciation is coming?
Which one? Which word?
For example, with the rules, right? All the pronunciations are coming through the rules.
Obviously, that's what we are doing now. So you have to remember these rules. You have to revise them 3-4 times. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Through the rules.
Obviously, you have to revise the rules always. So cluster, chicken, Keller, Will, then Atman, Swim, Renan, Brown, and Lippa, like this.
So I'm keeping something in the back of my mind that all the pronunciations are coming through the rules that we have seen it prior.
That's why these rules are very important. So you have to remember these rules. You have to revise them 2-3 times.
I need to have proper pronunciation also.
Yeah. Just revise the rules, right? They are not that much difficult. Once you revise them, you will find it's actually very easy. Okay.
Yes.
So
I need to revise it and I have to write it. Then I'll remember it.
So now you revise it once from B till this P. Okay, the last 2 pages. B till P. Just revise them from the PDF quickly.
Okay.
And then we'll discuss them again. Yeah, revise them.
Okay, sir. B. Yeah. B for phone. B bar. Okay. LM. Okay. Quark. Zip. K for kite. Jumping. D for dog. D. Dome. E-I-N-I. A. E-I is A. I is E. A. A. We got D is dot. A with all gun. After in dot. Now, solid in the end. E5 K11 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 normal sound. Glasses. Hello?
Yeah, done.
Yeah, I have done it, but I have some confusion,
Tell me.
especially in the KLM. So, how this pronunciation? What you write this number 1 and 2, 1 and 2? What that
Which
indicates?
one? Which one and two?
The last page.
1 and 2 is the count of consonants na, for the vowels. After A2 consonant, after I2 consonant. That is that 1 and 2. Okay?
To remember that one.
Yeah, to remember that one.
Okay. After A, it's two consonants. So, what will be the sound? To remember that. Okay. Right, sir? This
Yeah,
is what
yeah,
I'm
exactly.
assuming.
Exactly, for that only.
Yes. Hello?
Yes. Tell me any doubt, any letter. You have to revise them all together today.
Let's revise. Let's start.
Yeah, start from B. Speak the examples only from B.
Can you scroll up or shall I use my PDF?
From B, you can see here. So Belen,
Yeah. I mean, Belen, oh, Ben,
hmm.
Corp,
Hmm.
Jeep,
Geep.
Jeep,
Yeah. Next, C is K.
K, C is K for kite, yeah. Camping,
Camping.
camping, yeah.
Next, D.
D, yeah. So it is doom.
Hmm.
Then E I is A.
Bida.
Bida, yeah. Bida, Bida, Vida, sorry. Vida,
Hmm.
Bat,
Bart.
and then Hunt.
Hunt. Vidar, Bart, and Hunt. Okay.
Yeah.
Next, F.
F, football, okay. AU is ow.
Foul. And Shaft.
Foul and shaft.
Next.
G is for in the end it's K. So Gegen, Tak, Klug.
Gegen, Tak, and Klug. Next, H.
H,
Her sound.
Hult.
Halt.
Hult, not Hult.
Yeah.
Hult. Gehen.
Gen.
S is Z, right?
Zen. Halt, Gen.
Zen.
Okay.
Then.
Yes. So next is J. J is having the ear sound.
Y. So
Yunga.
Junge. Yeah, Junge, right?
Yunga, correct. Next.
Junga. KLMNOP
Yeah.
is have a normal sound, so it will be class. So
Klasa.
Klasa. Klasa. Chicken. Then it is Keller.
Yeah.
Then Will, normal.
Will.
Usman.
Atman. Yeah.
Atman, okay. Atman, not Atman.
Hmm.
So all these on the left side, these are all German words, right?
Yes, obviously, all German. And in the middle it is a sound, and right hand side it is the meaning. Okay.
English.
It's a meaning use that. Yeah. Atman
Meaning
and
in
swim.
English. Yeah, okay. Swim. SH is
Swim.
Why
SH is
shrimp, sir? Sir, I after R I is two, na? So it will be im. E sound. That's why.
Swim. That is what I am saying, na? E sound. Swim.
E sound, yeah. Shrimp.
Swim. Next, Renan.
And then it's drawn. Drawn. And then lipper.
Okay. Renan, Brown, and Lipper. Okay, got it till here?
So, yes, got it, sir, but I'm still trying to capture the pronunciation.
You have to revise these rules, okay? Revise them 2-3 times today. Okay, next lecture, na, again we'll start from this top only, okay? So, initially it's 1 or 2 lectures, you might take some time. So, take your time, there's no hurry, right? It's very easy. I'll tell you, once you revise it, you will find that every topic looks difficult in the beginning. Once you move to the next topic will look difficult and this will look easy. It happens like that only every time.
Exactly.
Okay.
I need to focus on pronunciation. This is what I...
So revise these rules. Okay, that is more than sufficient. Just revise this PDF. Okay. Yeah. Now just hold on. Let's do till here today. Okay.
Pardon?
Let's do till here today.
Okay. So now I'll send anything else you want to say?